Right, we have arrived at Hartland Quay. And there was loads of space in the car park. We've been here before and we've had to drive back up the hill to the overflow car parks. But we're okay today. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.